Twitter. Let's see if I see it. Oh, yep, looks like YouTube's got it. Excellent connection. Oh yeah, why is Twitch? Yesterday Twitch was saying, or Wednesday Twitch was saying it was like a spotty connection. I don't know why. Um, okay, yeah, no one ever watches on YouTube. Maybe because I don't know. Probably because I need to promote it. Yeah, people only ever watch on Twitter. Okay, the Twitch doesn't look like it's live, but it should be. Oh, okay. I just need to refresh the page, and then I need to click create broadcast for Twitter. It's kind of interesting that yeah, like YouTube and Twitch just start the stream when you click stream. I guess that's what it should do. But let's post on Twitter, the only place people actually watch. So Wednesday we did Clinky. Kind of got one-shotted by every LM. There's a bug, as you can see. I asked to fix it, but I don't think I'll fix it now. It's just new cards should be immediately due, but they're not. But looks like I figured out why. Let's go to my Twitter broadcast thing. Okay, yep, looks like I'm live on Twitter now. Nice. All right, so we're live everywhere, and we've got chats everywhere, hopefully. Actually, I don't see the X chat. Oh, okay, now I see. Okay, so yeah, what do I want to do today? Oh, notice I switched to light mode just because. Hey, why is this dark? Is Ghosty forgetting to update? Yeah, today I wanted to ingest my Twitter data. Like a while ago, I made this tool post, so I can like post. I'll just post to Blue Sky because I don't have any followers there. Hi, Blue Sky. And you can see it posts to Blue Sky. But one place I want to post is my own personal site, as why not? But I don't want to like manually cross post. I want like another view where I can cross post there. So I was just gonna do that. That's not too hard. But the other thing I want to do is have the archive up there because I don't want to just like start now in the middle of time. So I was going to ingest my Twitter archive. So I was just going to ask Mentat to do that. Okay, so let's voice transcribe. Wait, how do I forget the? Does this button do it? Oh yeah, okay. I just need to hold it. Yeah, so we'll try to use voice again. Last time I was annoyed that voice kept cutting off my first word, but we'll try again. Maybe I just need to like pause more. Okay, so what exactly do I want? Hi, Mentat. This is my personal site, or you can see I've got like blogs and stuff on it, but I want to also have a page with all my tweets. So can you write a script? Just commit it to a new scripts directory that processes the archive you can get from Twitter. I've already gotten it locally. I'm not going to upload it, so you won't be able to test your script, but I'll test it and let you know what I see. So can you write a script that finds all of the tweets I've posted and extracts them into like a format kind of similar to the format I use for blogs, so like a JSON format that contains the content of the tweet, and let's also include a link to it and the exact time it was tweeted. Yeah, so extract all that as JSON and put them as like separate tweets in like a new directory, and like let's make a new page on the site that is all my tweets. So I actually want every tweet to be on one page. I think I've probably made about 100,000 tweets, but I mean they're only like a couple hundred characters at most, so it should still be less than a megabyte or two, I would imagine. So yeah, let's also make a new page. It should be a static page, just like the blogs, that just ingests all of those tweets and makes one static site. And I also, of course, want the pictures to be included. So extract all of those to a new directory that I can sync up to S3. And let's keep them under a directory called like let's say / short form in the same S3 bucket that everything's in, or / assets / short form, if that makes sense. Okay. guess I could read through this, see if there's any typos. There's certainly typos, but oh yeah, let's fix that. Yes, I want it to be in assets short. I'll just say cross post. Cut off my if that makes sense. Everything else makes sense. I think this makes sense. And I'll just say, let me know if you have any questions, of course. And let's do what we did last time and send this to a few LLMs. Okay, so that's GPT-5 fast. Let's also send it to Sonnet. And Gemini impressed me last time, so let's do Gemini again. And people keep telling me Opus is smarter, so let's see. I wasn't impressed with Opus last time, but it's like the reason I wasn't impressed is because it did like more than I asked. You know, like I didn't want it to make a 2e, but it was a nice 2e, so maybe like a different person would say it did the best job. Okay. So away they go. Hard at work. So I guess in the meantime, we can try to figure out what's going on ourselves. So let's see. So yeah, I've got my Twitter archive right here. How do I unzip? Is it just unzip? Is that simple? Nice. Well, I wonder if there's any personal data in the file names. I guess this data does include all my direct messages, so let's not go through that. But I don't really send any direct messages. I think like probably there's not any sensitive data in the whole thing, but I guess we should be a little careful. Oh yeah, my Periscope data, of course. I don't think I've ever used Periscope because I think it's ended before my time. Oh, you know what? Actually, probably when I stream, those are saved, and it's like actually the same thing as Periscope. So these actually probably are my streams that we're inflating now. That's probably why they're taking a while. It's good that we're starting this process now. Grok chat. Oh yeah, I did chat with Grok. So yeah, I guess you learn a lot about me from just what's going by. So I've talked to Grok like less than 20 times. Interesting stuff. Just checking if there's any chats. No chats. Let's see how these guys are doing. Yeah, we should probably put the model name in here. I guess we did it originally because, I mean, most people probably just have their favorite model and only talk to it. So it's be kind of noise to just always write the model. But for this specific use case, it's kind of annoying because I'm always like, I don't know. I guess I could have like prompt injected the title generation and say like, please put the model name in the title. So maybe I should do that next time. But yeah, actually, I guess I have it sorted by like creation time. So if I just remembered the order I would create it, and it would say the same. Okay, so this one's already made one. So this is Gemini, which was the best last time. Let's see what it did. So here's its script to process the tweets. That's not my Twitter username. What did it do? Okay, so create output directories. Hopefully it tells me how to use the script. Path to the tweets.js file from your Twitter archive. Wait, it's a JS file? All the tweets are in a JS file? Well, all my images are coming through. It's interesting. Is it still extracting? There's a lot of data. Okay, it's done. It's done. Yeah, I think it said it would be like 15 gigabytes. Maybe it's too much to have it like one static page, but I guess it's fine if it's just like a gigabyte page. The internet's fast. Okay, so we've extracted that. And okay, I'll let it know. So Where did it extract it to? Oh, data. Oh no, that's annoying because I already had a data directory. Oh dear. I should have extracted it somewhere else. That's very annoying. But are all my tweets really in like a tweets.js file? Is it really in this file? All my tweets? I think it's slowing down. Wow, yeah. I guess this is probably all my tweets. I definitely haven't made 500,000 tweets, but it does look like every tweet is like a couple dozen lines. Oh, that's fun. Okay, so they're all in here. So that actually probably makes the task of Mentat a little easier. Okay, so I think I should probably just like unzip it again and just like git restore hard. Oh, but I had some like local changes. I'm really messing up this this directory. Okay, well let's try to run this script and see what happens. Okay, so where did it put the script? Just process tweets, naturally enough. So Python. It doesn't see it. Oh, is it? Is there no process tweets? I'm confused. Oh, it's changing my CSS. What did it do there? Huh. Okay. I guess Opus probably told it to do that. Right, I'm a little confused. Where's the... Oh, it's in scripts. Right. What? So originally it wrote in the wrong place, but then did Opus tell it that it needed to move it? Oh no, this is just like it's VS Code style naming, so this is not the name of the file. Right. Okay. Or like in VS Code, if you have a file, it only shows you like the file name, not the full path. Until it's not unique, then it expands. But we also have that feature. Okay, so it's in scripts. Let's see if it works. Oh yeah, it really should have made this like an argument instead of just assuming that was my name. So maybe I'll just change that. Oh, it did change it. This is probably feedback from Opus actually. Okay, so username is ja3k underscore, and the path is tweets.js, surprisingly. Not tweets.json, just tweets.js. Oh, okay. Do I have a them here? I do, okay. Okay, then it has requests. I shouldn't really have to download the media. I'm gonna let it know. Hey, I started running your script and it seemed to be downloading a lot of media, but actually that shouldn't be necessary because all of that data is also in the bundle that was provided. So can you not download anything and instead just get it from the local directory? I'll let know about that. Also, sort of unrelated, but I fucked up a little bit and just extracted it to my local file system. So like they're just everywhere in data and stuff. can you write a script that moves every file that's not tracked by Git or ignored by Git into a directory of my choice? Just reply with text I can copy paste. Thanks. I'm sure I'll be able to do that. Do I have a Git ignore? I'll just add them over here because I don't want to move that. It's kind of useless to run Git status. Yeah, I think there were some things like to and concatenations that are not. But yeah, this is, yeah, I've got some, like a blog post that I've been working on. Let me check out oh, it's master. Oh, I made it a while ago. I'm behind. Okay, then let's see. Let's just add that stuff. Not sure if there's anything else. It's hard to say because it's installed in the data directory. I think it was just that stuff. Oh, it's got my age info in here naturally. Oh, concatenations. I'll just hit that. Okay, now everything that's untracked should be just new stuff, I think. Okay, oh, give me a little script. Okay. It's an interesting thing to include. Okay, so copy the script, paste into your terminal. Okay. Okay, I'll just go. Okay. I'll just. Oh, it's gonna move itself unless I ignore it. But I should have just told it to commit it. I'll just. It's fine if it moves itself. Okay. Oh, and I need to change this, I guess. I'll just call it Twitter data. Okay. Oh, I need to write +X. Okay, now it's moving everything. Might take a sec. Okay, well, that's good to get that cleaned up. Okay, so you're right. Download the media is unnecessary. So okay, just incorporating the change I asked for. That's good. Yeah, why is Twitch is saying the stream quality is unstable, but YouTube says it's excellent. Maybe Twitch just sucks. Yeah, let me know if my stream quality is bad. That's a lot of stuff to move. Oh, not there. Let's see how everyone else is doing. What did So this is GPT-5's submission. Added a Twitter archive pipeline plus. There, so let's see if it worked. Okay. It did move itself like I said it would, but that's fine. Okay. I wonder what's in your archive. That must be the script that the page that Gemini ended up making. Oh no. Okay. I've blocked 271 accounts. That doesn't sound right. I guess I have. Oh yeah, yeah, I did. Yeah, I used to every time I got a new follower that was clearly a bot, I used to block it. Um, but at some point I stopped. So that's why that number's so high. Um, okay, so nice. This one seems better. It's like letting me know how to run it. It knows my screen name. How does it know my screen name? Wait, actually, oh, you know what? This guy's smart. It knows my screen name because it read my site. Maybe I don't. Does this? What's on this page? One of these pages must just have my. Yeah, this. Well, okay. The socials footer has my name, but I guess it didn't read that. I don't think any of these pages have my Twitter handle, so I don't know how it found it. I don't know why that one's not loading. Okay, it must have been in one of these though, I guess, that found it. Oh yeah, it's probably in this one. Yeah, yeah, I figured it out from reading this blog I wrote. Very, very smart of it. These things are so superhuman. Um, okay, so let's try it out. So this is Mentat 12. Up to date. It tells me how to run it, so I don't have to even think. I'll just. Well, I guess I have to. Okay, I guess what. I assume it assumed I unzipped it already. Uh, yeah, I guess I could read it to know for sure. Okay, I guess I actually do have to edit this. Okay, so that should be under Twitter. I think this Twitter data. Why does it even need to know my screen name? What is it? They both wanted to know my screen name for the script. I wonder why. I guess I can find out. Oh, there's control. I didn't know we just had control F because of Monaco. What did it call it? Screen name? But it doesn't work. Okay. Monaco sucks. I don't know. I think we might have made a mistake using Monaco. It's possible. Is it running? Or is it it's just slow? It's possible it's just slow. I wonder, okay, I guess I should read what it does. Okay, so download will fetch if it's not found locally. So this one did better than the Gemini because Gemini just downloaded everything until I told it that's dumb. But it does have the option to download it if it doesn't find it locally. Yeah, I'll just remove that option just to make sure that's not downloading things. I don't want it to download things. If there's a problem, I want it to kind of fail. I wonder. I guess we can kind of see if it's working by. Okay, it looks like it's working. Oh yeah, wrote 10,000 tweets. Okay, and then so data slash tweets. Okay, and then I need to remember how to build my site. I think is there, what's in here? Scripts. Yeah, I gotta speed this up. Oh. Huh. Well, I guess I will let it know that I ran into an error. probably just a capitalization error. Actually, we can probably just like check. So I kind of invented my own format for the site, which I regret, but I did it a while ago. I guess now that there's LMs, I can just migrate to like any format I want. But I'm guessing, where's data? I'm guessing the problem is that, oh, okay, the problem is there's no title. I should tell it to read exhibit and learn something about how my site is built. Oh, oops, I didn't mean to send that. I meant to say more stuff. Okay. Oh yeah, and I think looking at that, I also noticed another thing, which is I don't want replies. Oh, I should have said them in the main message. They're probably going to include them. Okay, give me. Okay. Oh yeah, I think it should probably do that too. I'll let it know. Okay, now let me just send this quick message to everyone else. Okay. Okay, so that's on it. And let's also let Opus know. Okay, let's see how Opus did. We haven't looked at theirs yet. Okay, what is in non-generated? Oh, is this there's asset and assets? Okay, so I can just remove that. Well, maybe I'll make a directory. This is and then I'll just move non-generated slash assets. Oh, Twitter datasets. Okay. And let's run their script. How do you do it? How do you use? Okay, simple enough. Path to Twitter archive. So that should be tweet data. What's unsupported operand for? Okay, I'll just let it know. Okay. Which one's this? Okay. I've updated the pipeline to match preferences. Replies are excluded unless they're self-replies. Let's try to run it again. Cannot type. So this one contains ja3k. Yeah, it's the one I want to run. Yes, this one didn't print any things. Oh, thanks for letting me know the stream quality is good, Zilix. Thanks for watching. Yeah, I gotta be better at monitoring my chats. Oh, hey Derek, I know you're watching on YouTube. Oh, wait, so Derek, YouTube must be slightly off because I don't think. Oh, I see. I have one view. That must be you, Derek. Thanks for watching on YouTube. Yeah, I just figured out cross streaming. Yeah, no one on Twitch says that this quality is or isn't good. Okay, so I wrote 5,000 tweets. Okay, yeah, so yeah, I guess I have a lot of replies because I think if you count replies, I've got like 10,000 or something or 50,000. I forget. I guess we could scroll up. Okay, now let's build the site. Let's see if it works this time. Oh, it has to download all these magic cards. Okay, naturally. File exists. I guess I will. Wait, what is index? Is there anything in? They probably just made it last time. That's interesting. I feel like build live is supposed to like just kind of clear out that, so maybe there's some other bug. But for now, I'll just delete that file and run it again. But I feel like the build script should have done that. I don't know why it would fail for just that file. Well, okay, it must be some specific problem with its thing, so I'll let it know. There must be some issue with how this interacts with the build system because I get the following error. Look at scripts/build live and exhibit. Did it clone it, by the way? Let's check. I told it to look at exhibit in this conversation, right? No, I think, oh, it just said like thanks for the tip, but then it never actually looked at the repo, even though it can totally run git clone itself, but maybe it doesn't want to do that. Oh, it's also possible that it just works because there is now this thing. So let's does Chrome work? No. Google Chrome? No. I guess I just have to open it myself then. Where are we? We're in ja3k. How is this? Oh, ja3k.com live tweets.html. Let's see what this page looks like. Oh, this is all my tweets. Nice. And the page feels smooth. Just one page with 5,000 tweets on it. Exactly what we want. Now this is good stuff. Maybe we want the formatting to look a little different. Oh, that is my first tweet. You can make art out of anything. Welcome to Moe's. But the embed doesn't work. Okay, yeah, I'll just give it some feedback. But it looks like we're getting somewhere. Let's see what it. I can, if anything else trips over, I can adapt quickly. I'll let it know it can. What is it? I never should have made my my personal site like a multi-repo. Like this build system should just be in it. So what do I not like? I don't like that. So I don't like that the link is visible. Oh yeah, on my personal site, I guess I have to gotta update my X link. It's still have a little bird there. Oh yeah. I gotta update that. I guess I like the aesthetic of having the whole timestamp. But yeah, and I don't see these. What else do I not like? I don't like. Oh yeah, the images don't work. And can you format it a little bit like a tweet? Give it a border with corner rounding and have my PFP. Where is my PFP? Is that which? I don't know what to tell to use for my PFP. I guess I can just. Yeah, I'll upload it later. Thanks. Let's see how other agents are doing. So that's GPT-5. I end up always just talking to whichever one is fastest. Speed is like the most important thing. Okay, so this one was Opus. Oh yeah, and it ran into an issue right away. But it says it fixed it, so let's see if it did. Oh, also, where are we? Okay, I'll just remove tweets and that too. And let's check that out. So this one had to be. I guess I'll just copy it. I don't know. Okay. Wow, why is that one so much faster than the other one? The other one took like a minute. So maybe Opus is better. Let's see if it worked though. Could not download. Oh, what is this number that it printed out at the end? I don't know. It's a big number. So did it? Was it tweets? I guess I don't know if it's actually. Let me just. I need. It says it should be. Generate HTML page. I'll just run this and see what that page looks like. I'm not sure if it incorporated into the build system correctly. Oh, it didn't run. All right, when I try to run generate tweet page, I get the following error. Also, it should be incorporated to the existing build system, which you can check out and look at from here. Oh. Okay, oh, we never looked at sonnets. Ooh. Sonnet looks like it's got a nice display. How did it do that? Is that just a Unicode character? Interesting. Okay, let's check out theirs. I don't think we ever looked at sonnets. I just gave it some feedback. Okay. I thought I moved concatenations. Okay, well, let's remove all tweets and assets and tweets, threads, and let's see how Sonnet did. Does it tell me how to run it? I mean, it's Twitter archive processing completed, but is this its idea of the Twitter bird? Interesting. Well, I guess I did tell it to just put it in a certain place, so let's just see if it did that, and it works. It's a lot of scripts. Oh, it wrote a little README for me, so I can read that. That's nice of it. Let's see. Scripts. Okay. So let's run that. And it's just check what time it is. It's 9:40. I'm gonna go for about an hour, so probably stop around 10. I just need to tell it where the archive is, right? Where did I put that? Twitter data. Is that the only thing I needed to tell it? Options, output directory. Oh, okay. Looks like they've got good defaults. Yeah, why was the GPT-5 one so slow? Like, it shouldn't take that long to process 6,000 tweets. You know, it's 6,000 tweets. How long could it take? And then let's run the build script. Yeah, my original message should have said something about. Okay. Okay. Nice. View on Twitter works. It's true. Why is there something rather than nothing? Okay. Oh, and threads work. Oh, but yeah, I don't. This one was like a reply, so it. Nice. This is not bad. This is not bad. Okay, I'll give it some feedback on the formatting. Yes, I think probably what happened is like the script it wrote and Opus as well just generates this file for me. But there's still something strange about what's going on. I wonder if like I don't know. I'll have to read what they actually did at some point because they must have like two data files they're trying to write to the same location and there's like a race. It must not really understand how the build system works. But that's okay. Okay, but yeah, I want to give it some feedback on the formatting. Tell it to remove that. Every tweet ends with, which isn't properly formatted. You can actually remove it entirely. The link in the upper right is sufficient. Yeah, so why is it so bad? Like you can just remove those two words. You can actually remove it entirely. Okay. What else? I only want my threads to be included if the first one's not a reply. I think there's a few where that's not the case. Also for the threads, can you remove the 1, 2? Just make them like dots, I guess. I do like the lines. I think it gives a nice like visual separation. Actually, let's look at the threads a little more carefully before I give that feedback. Yeah, I feel like this would be fine if this was like a dot and a dot. I guess it looks like a Twitter thread if this was like my PFP. I don't know if I want my PFP on it. When I look at this, it looks clean. It's kind of weird to have my PFP on all of them. I mean, they're my tweets, right? And the images are not working. Our first one had an image, right? Yeah. Yeah, there should be an image on that. Okay, but Sonnet solution looks pretty good. Pretty good. Let's go back to GPT. So, oh yeah, I think it worked. I just gave it a lot. Theirs looked the shittiest by far, I think. But I didn't really give any direction about how it should look. Oh, but what did it? Did it actually change this time? Did I get feedback on the? Or what is this file? Is this? Oh, okay, this is an interesting way to code, I suppose. That's a normal place to put your stylings. Let's see how it looks. I need to. It's had my screen name, so I can reverse search screen name. Okay. I assume I can just run. I don't have to delete everything every time. It'll just overwrite the files, presumably, if they wrote the code in a normal way, or crash. Both are fine. But yeah, so GPT-5 was really slow, so maybe we shouldn't go with theirs. And build. Oh. Now when I build, I get following. Okay. Okay, still working on that feedback I gave. What's this guy up to? This is Opus fixed. Okay, let's see if it is fixed. There's my branch. Let's run the script. Is this one? Okay. Huh. Oh, I wonder. I probably have. I do have to delete this every time. I think it's probably like. because they probably just have different naming schemes, and then they're all like still built. So I might have called GPT-5. I was getting some error that I wasn't really getting, which is unfortunate. So, but no, I think it was probably GPT-5's problem. And then, okay, yeah, avatar's not there. Got a nice X. That's a throwback. Okay, they do look a lot nicer, but yeah, there's no image still. There should be an image there. I wonder if I need to manually move the image. Oh, my quote tweets don't. Yeah, I guess they kind of work. Yeah. So those are ones that are quote tweets. Maybe I should tell it to format them correctly. Let's see if there is like an image tag here that's like not. Yeah, I'm guessing I just need to like manually copy something because like none of the assets are loading. I probably just need to manually copy stuff, but I don't even see like an image. Yeah, there should be an image in this one, but that one's really old. So maybe this. But yeah, there should be an image on this one too, but there's not. No. Oh yeah, okay. So, yeah, somehow it's not getting the images. Okay, the tweet formatting looks nice, but we're still not getting the images from the bundle. I don't see any images on my tweets. Yeah, none of them are getting that right. I don't know if it's like difficult. Maybe I need to like look at actual formatting. Yeah, we haven't looked at Gemini's in a while, I don't think. Let's check that. Okay, then let's build it. Warning. Okay, so the fact that it only printed like 10 things makes me think it like is mostly working. I don't know why those ones aren't working, but I definitely have made more than 20 tweets with images. Oh yeah, this. Okay, so, yeah. So this one was just a styling thing. The important thing being images. But let's see if it was able to fix it. Remove that real quick. Which command did I run for this one? Oh yeah, they never told me the command to run. Oh, it's right here. It's right here. It's do I need to tell it where the media file is? But what if the problem was on me and I just didn't have my where's my media? Should be in tweets media most likely. That looks right. So let's see the things it couldn't find if they're here. They are. Oh, but interesting. That's very odd. So here they're prefixed with what looks like a Unix timestamp for some reason. Okay, I'll let it know. Maybe that's why it's struggling. That's very surprising to me that it would have that, but I'll let it know. When I run your script, I see a lot of prints like... I'll just give it 5 of them. Looking into the Twitter archive. Why is it the same image twice? Does Twitter on the back... I must have used the same image twice. Kind of funny. I guess it makes sense that Twitter would deduplicate the media, because I'm sure people are like posting the same plain images like 24/7. So where were they? It looks like the relevant data is under data/tweets media, and for some reason is prefixed with a Unix timestamp. The images look like. Okay, so hopefully that's enough for it to figure it out. So this is Sonnet's work. Okay, and then this is GPT-5's. I forget where. Oh yeah, last time I tried to run it, there was an error. Let's delete that. And let's run the builds again. So yeah, this one wanted to know my screen name for some reason, and also took like 20 seconds for some reason. Okay. Okay, so this must be an image. Yeah. Okay. It's interesting that it's like that. Oh, I wonder. Huh. I wonder if like the tweet actually contains that, and you have to like filter it out manually if you want to. I guess we could go to the actual Twitter and the actual tweet in the database, or then the JSON file, and see what it looks like. I feel like I should just pick one to focus on and stop bouncing around. It's actually like pretty unproductive, I think, to be like going from one to the other, and it always seems like they make like a little bit of progress. Then an hour goes by and you realize you didn't really get anywhere. Yeah. But yeah, I think I'll wrap up the stream now. It was fun. It seems like all 4 of them kind of got close. It seems like images are a big sticking point. I mean, looking at the actual format, I can see why it's a sticking point. It's possible like this is actually a pretty bad choice of something to do with Mentat as opposed to like Claude Code, because it would probably have been more productive to be running the agent on my local machine where it could like access the thing. Yeah, usually I like to like use Mentat with something with like robust CI where it can like the tests are run automatically for it. It doesn't even have to set them up, or like work hard to like make it have access to the data. But in this specific case, I think a local agent would have been more productive. But I think we got close. Okay, we'll just check sonnets, see if it got the images, and but either way, I think I'll wrap it up. This one. This one was this one. Did find the media this time. Nice. Okay. And then we can build the site. Cannot find tragic boyfriend. I probably like just spelt it wrong. Okay. And the file already exists, but as we've seen before, that error didn't really matter very much. Nice. Okay. I think we can probably actually fix the so this problem is just my build system being wrong. This is not really Mentat's problem. Let's just move non-generated / assets plural. It's cross-post. Okay, so I think I probably just need to copy that to live / assets. And refresh. No. Is there nothing there? Got the stuff there. I guess it's probably a red flag that like. Oh yeah, why is that duplicated? Also, is this what I sound like? Is it copying my voice here? This is what I sound like. I think I might need to just run a Python server. Oh wait, let's okay. Let's to put okay, nice. Okay, it did work. It did work. Okay, so obviously some things are duplicated, but it worked. It worked. And yeah, like I said, I wanted to get rid of these replies. Okay, so sonnets was the best here, though. I don't know. I guess when you start like, it's whoever you give the most attention to that really worked. So yeah, there's still some things to do. There's still some like threads that are replies. I think it's only happening when I was the root. So here, hand banana replied to me, and then I replied to hand banana, and that's probably why it's getting tripped up. But yeah, that needs to be fixed. This formatting kind of sucks with the dots, but I don't know. I guess that's what I told it to do. And the duplicated images need to be fixed, of course. But other than that, kind of did fine. Oh yeah, this is my first tweet. You can make art out of anything. Welcome to Moz. And it's true. You can make art out of anything. Okay, well, thanks everyone for watching. And yeah, I'm gonna keep trying to stream. Yeah, starting sometime between 8 and 9 every weekday. Probably like the worst possible time to stream while everyone's like getting to work, but it's when I'm free, I guess. I don't know. I should probably do my job, which is what I'll do now. But thanks everyone for watching.